Hello everyone, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International, and today we're looking at this beautiful 2000 Ford Excursion. It's an XLT model with only 144,000 miles, V10 engine, 4x4 drivetrain. As you can see, it's white exterior, and in the interior has tan leather, all three rows. Got the nice wheels on this truck along with the towing package and towing mirrors. Just a super clean white Excursion we have here. Go ahead and open up the interior. This vehicle does have the keyless entry. Inside super clean. Does have the driver power seat, power windows and locks. $144 on the dash, equipped with the disc changer, as well as 4x4 on the dash, ice cold AC. Inside the console's got the changer, got a single CD up top, all the infotainment and rear window controls, storage, upper console. Dashboard looks super clean. Everything is really nice on this Excursion right here. And we'll go through every little thing for you. We'll catch the VIN right now real quick, ending in D47634. That is the stock number of this Excursion. You can reference that in your inquiry if you would like. Back seats, really nice. Third row, sweet. This vehicle is available locally and online for sale. We do end our sales early for interested buyers, so if you like this vehicle, please give me a call right away. Alright, we'll go ahead and start her up, show you under the engine bay. Pop the hood. Now look how beautifully clean this is. We have here. Also, I've driven this Excursion and it drives really nice and all that good stuff. Running nice and quiet. So if you're looking for a really clean white V10 Excursion 4x4, you found it right here. My name is Brett. Please give me a call direct, 954-258-2700. You can call or text that line. If you'd like a shipping quote to your home or anywhere of your choice, please let me know. Typically, we can ship out within 12 to 24 hours of receiving your cleared payment on a vehicle. Of course, you're welcome to pick them up in person. All of our paperwork is very simple, easy to sign, comes to you via DocuSign. If you have any questions about this truck that I wasn't able to show you today, please feel free to reach out. Ask me for FaceTime, videos, pictures, whatever you need, whatever is available, I will provide for you. I do specialize in these trucks, the Excursions and the older Super Duties. So you can take a look at our site, usmdi.com. We've got quite a few in the funnel. If this one's not the one for you, maybe I have something else you might like. Either way, I recommend giving me a call. There's a lot of information that may not make it to the website that we can chat about. Thank you for the opportunity to show you this beautiful Excursion. I look forward to hearing from you soon.